Very thankful for the rain, but boy, look down the road here. See it running? The creek's gonna have lots of water in it tomorrow. It's running down both sides of the road. Wish that was more clear, but it's kind of dark, so. Bless Steve's heart, he ran out to the van to get my Jackery just in case the electric would go out because it keeps lightning. And that way I could sleep with my CPAP on. I tell you guys, I am blessed with a very good man. It's about 9:45 in the morning, and it rained a bunch last night, as you guys probably seen in that little clip I posted. I'm on my way to get some blood work done. Oh, what a much needed rain. I'm so thankful. Tell you, the tomato plants have grown a foot, it looks like. Oh, the squash, peppers, everything are real happy looking. Got another little limb down over here. Try to stay out of the mud. Yep. Poor tree's falling apart, isn't it? Yeah, you can tell. Look at the ground again, where the water just flowed along. We're gonna have massive amounts of zucchini and everything. Oh, we got a cucumber. A couple of them. I think these are ready. 2 there and 1 there. Honey, we got 3 right here, cucumbers that are ready to be picked.
Are they?
Yep.
I knew they was getting there the other day.
Hey, Romeo, are you talking to the neighbor rooster? I know. Girls, did you enjoy the storms? A lot cooler today. Oh yeah, I knew the creek would be running pretty good. Well, another storm, and it's still hanging. I really wish that thing would fall so we wouldn't have to pay and have that thing taken out. And garden number 2. You can tell, honey, we're down there where it's too shaded.
Yeah.
They're not growing up. We're gonna have to try to somehow top out some of those trees before next year.
Yeah. I had to get stakes made for these beans and get the streams going across through here.
Yeah, we got to get that done. But they're looking good.
Yeah. Kohlrabi's coming up.
Yeah, I seen that.
I'll have to thin that out.
Thin some of it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, the kohlrabi is doing good. Well, even if you get that part of the corn, that'd be good.
And we got a few stalks up in the other garden too. That's
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah. And the neighbor's garden over there looks good. Your chair all covered or filled with water?
Yeah. I still got to get that cleaned up and that cleaned up.
Well,
and burn it.
you've done a lot. That looks a lot better, hon. All right, you ready to go to the library?
Yep.
They have the teen side all decorated. found the other 4. Yay!